Welcome to my dollhouse series, y'all. So my mom saw this dollhouse on the side of the road and asked my aunt to pick it up. Y'all, let the madness begin. I'm so excited. So before I start taking stuff apart, I wanted to show y'all the before. You got little stickers in it. It's gonna be removed. Stickers everywhere. And there's furniture that's in it. Even though it's somewhat cute, it's not going to be the aesthetic that I'm looking for, but it is quite cute. Look at the little bubbles in the sink. And it's, of course, dirty. Hence that it was on the side of the road, guys. So it got stickers everywhere. But it got enough little space. Now, it is missing a little top that goes right here. No problem, though, because this is going to be a new outdoor space for my new home. And the rocking chair is cute too, but you guys to go. So I really don't know how this is gonna get solved, but this is the before on the inside of the thrown away dollhouse. And this is the outside before I change it up. Yeah, it is very cute. But one thing I do not like, I don't like the fact that you can see in the through the windows. Who would even design it like that? I love this freaking porch. This is literally my favorite. And we're gonna tackle that. I'm gonna take these. Let's see how the stickers just come off. Yes. Yeah, I'm excited. But I do kind of like this pink door. Real talk. So that's the front. So this is the front and the back, y'all. I said, instead of just turning it around, see I can get a better vision. This back is super cute. This back, I love like this detail of a tree house. Oh yeah, it's about to be on and popping, y'all. I'm excited. Now mind you, I got two other doll houses that I need to tackle, but this one is calling my name for some reason. So, yeah. Okay, y'all. Part 1 of the renovation has been successful. I'm just gonna cut these wires, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this year. Probably cut that as well. Because this is an electric or battery operated dollhouse. But I was able to remove the kitchen, y'all. And I'm gonna cut this as well. So now I'm gonna put my floor back and then remove these stickers. Y'all see those stickers? And then come with a concept that I like. But I just needed to make sure the furniture and stuff was removable before I come up with a concept or a design. So I didn't want to get my hopes up if I had to do a workaround or whatever. But I don't have to. I am so excited. All that stuff came out, or was easy to remove, I should say. Yes, yes. And this is the kitchen and stuff. I didn't break it, and I could use these items in other projects. I am so excited that I didn't have to break it or tear it up, because I don't like doing that, y'all. Okay, guys, let's get started removing the 1,000 million stickers that this house has. Y'all, this was not an easy task, but hey, it had to get done because, what? Those stickers was hideous. Okay, I removed all those stickers that was on the side. Now I'm gonna remove these stickers for the window treatment and the fake rugs. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do that. So far it's looking good. I am excited. Okay, y'all, I'm using this technique to soften the stickers so I could scrape them off easier. I just wet the napkin and then place it over the sticker. So I did that for all the window treatment, guys. And I'm gonna let it sit for some hours to make sure it is nice and saturated. And we're gonna see the finished results. All the stickers are gone, y'all. I'm so tired. I can't even talk right. So this is how it look without the stickers. It's very clean. Well, it's dirty, but it's clean, meaning that the stickers are gone. So now I'm gonna remove some of the floors. I'm gonna remove this, the top floors. I'm keeping the bottom floors. So I'm gonna remove that, and then I'm gonna spray paint everything. And yeah, fun times. But yeah, we moving along pretty good. Y'all, I forgot. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't forget. I did not realize this side had these dang stickers too. I almost bust out crying, guys. I'm not gonna have any fingernails left. Oh my Jesus, oh God. Now I gotta remove these freaking stickers. Oh well, let's get to it. Oh my God. Y'all, I took off all the stickers. If I find one more goddamn stickers, oh, I don't even want to say it, Jesus. But we are sticker free. Now I can take these floors off, wash this whole dollhouse up, and get started on the fun part. Yeah, this is gonna be a little lengthy process, but I am so excited, guys. So, yes. I'm so happy all them stickers are gone, y'all. Okay, y'all, I removed majority of the floors. This is attached some weirdly way, so I'm just leave it as is and clean it. But the rest I'm gonna clean separately. These are the floors. You see how dirty they are? So I'm gonna clean them separately and paint them or add the flooring that I want to them. And I'm gonna use this spray paint to paint the inside and the outside of the house. Alrighty, this is the dollhouse painted white. I don't have all the floors in. I left that floor in only because I couldn't take it out, but I'm cool with it being white. And the rest of the floors, as y'all saw, at least I hope you seen, I did black. So I'm about to assemble the whole house together so then y'all can see those results. I'm finna flip it around so y'all can see the front. Okay, this is the front. Yeah, I really, really, really like it, guys. I mean, I don't even want to do the details that I'm going to do, but I am going to stick with my original plan. I found the top piece that I thought was missing, guys. Okay, y'all, I'm going to do some of the parts black. So these are going to be the floors. And we're going to just make it do what it do because I did run out of white spray paint. And these are the results after painting the floors. Y'all already know I'm in love, right? I think it's just, it's coming together so nicely, y'all. And, I don't know. And as I mentioned, I did find that missing piece in my car. It, of course, must have fell off when I brought it to my house. But I was so happy. So we're going to hook that up. And this is the front of the house. Y'all, it is so, just so breathtaking. So I'm about to add the details that I mentioned before. So wish me luck. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to make a awning. I think that's how you say it. Out this cardboard paper. Yeah. So I'm going to paint it, and then we're going to go from there. Hopefully it will work out, guys. And I'm going to try to put it right here. Okay, y'all, I just added a little accent paint to just make it pop out more. And y'all already know I'm in love. Look how cute that is. Just a little simple touch. Now, I also painted these little wooden pieces to also add to the windows because I just want a little bit more detail just to fancy it up. So I'm going to attach that next. And this is also the finished result of the awning that y'all saw me paint the cardboard paper. And this is how that came out. So I'm going to also attach this to the house. And that should be the finishing on the outside so far. Check out the before and after pictures. And stay tuned when I furnish the dollhouse. Y'all, I'm so excited about this series.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting it wrong.